Tuppy toast. Uh-oh, Noo Noo.
Uh-oh, Noo. Oh. Oh, sorry, Noo Noo. Are you about to take your nap? Oh!
What's going on?
Noo Noo's about to take his nap, so we have to be quiet.
Oh, sorry, Noo Noo. Sweet dreams, Noo Noo.
Okay, let's go get some Tuppy toast, quietly.
Okay.
There we go. Toast for two.
Let's eat.
All right.
Tinky Winky? What is Noo Noo doing over there?
It looks like he's tidying up.
But Tinky Winky, his eyes are closed.
Oh, so they are. That's odd. Noo Noo? Are you asleep or awake? Noo Noo, Noo Noo, Noo Noo, wait, Noo Noo, what are you? What?
Hey, that's our Tuppy toast.
Noo Noo, you... What just happened?
I don't know. Was Noo Noo asleep or awake?
I don't know, Po. But there's one thing I do know. Noo Noo does not act like this.
What is Noo Noo doing now?
Wait, is that my bag? Why does he have my bag? Oh no, Noo Noo. Wait, Noo Noo, that's my bag about to tidy up. What?
What's wrong with Noo Noo?
I have no idea. Noo Noo's not like this.
Wait, is he going outside?
Oh, he is going outside.
Noo Noo, wait! Where are you going?
I don't think he can hear you, Po. We've got to follow him.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Hat, 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 hat. La li la li la 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 la. La li la 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 li la la la. Ah, this is fun.
Hey, do you hear someone snoring?
Yeah, I do.
What? What? Noo Noo? Is that you?
Noo Noo, what are you doing out here?
Wait, Noo Noo, what are you? Whoa! Hey! What are you?
What? Huh?
What was that about, Noo Noo? Wait, my hat? Noo Noo, did you tidy up my hat? My hat!
Noo Noo, why would you tidy up Dipsy's hat like that? What? Noo Noo? Noo Noo, where are you going? Okay, what was that about?
I don't know, Lala. And the weirdest part was, Noo Noo had his eyes shut the whole time.
Yeah, I wonder what's up with that.
Dipsy! Lala!
Oh, uh-oh, Tinky Winky. Uh-oh, Po.
Did you guys see Noo Noo? Yeah, we did. And he tidied up our favorite things.
Yeah, and his eyes were closed.
Yeah, we saw. Something doesn't seem right about Noo Noo.
Yeah, and where has he gone? Somewhere over there.
You know, I think I gotta tell Duckster about this because something is wrong with Noo Noo.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Tinky Winky. Let's go to Duckster's workshop.
But what about Noo Noo? He might tidy up other stuff like, oh, bibbly cheese. Oh dear, Noo Noo tidied up a flower.
And he's running off again. All right, guys, listen up. Poe and I will go to Duckster's place while you two catch Noo Noo before he tidies up anything else.
Yeah, come on, Dipsy, let's go.
All right, come back here, Noo Noo.
All right, Tinky Winky, let's go to Duckster's.
Yeah, come on. All right, almost done for today.
Hey, Duckster!
Oh, hey there, Poe. Duckster, we have a problem. Oh, well, what is it, Tinky Winky? Well, you see, there's something wrong with Noo Noo. He's, like, asleep, but tidying up.
Yeah.
Noo Noo is most likely tidying things up while he's sleeping. I think I heard of this before. I better look this up in my book of illnesses.
Illnesses? But I don't think Noo Noo is sick. Is he?
I don't know, maybe. I wonder how Dipsy and Lala are doing.
Noo Noo! Noo Noo!
Noo Noo! Noo Noo! Oh, bibbly nut buckets. Where's Noo Noo?
I don't know. Noo Noo?
Noo Noo! Oh, where could he be?
I don't know. What? Wait a minute. I see him over there.
Huh?
After him. Come on, Dipsy.
Okay.
Hey look girls, it's that blue thing again.
Huh, I wonder what is it doing?
It's heading straight for us.
Oh pots and petals.
Oh no, someone help.
Oh no! Noo Noo's about to tidy up the blue flowers.
Oh, no, you don't. Gotcha! Oh, phew. That was close. Are you all right, girls?
Oh yes. Goodness gracious, we almost got sucked in.
Thank goodness you swooped in, Dipsy.
What is up with that blue thing?
It's kind of hard to explain it.
Oh, Well, thanks again for saving us, Dipsy.
You're welcome, Blue Flowers. Come on, Noo Noo. Right this way. No. This way, this way.
Dexter, did you find out what's wrong with Noo Noo?
Not yet. I'm still looking. Oh, well, we gotta find out soon before Noo Noo gets into any more trouble then.
Oh, Noo Noo, there you are.
And there he goes again.
This way, Noo Noo, this way. Right over here.
Great job catching Noo Noo.
Thank you.
This way, this way, this way.
Alright, I found out what's wrong with Noo Noo. Alright, so I did some research and oh, you brought the others along with Noo Noo. So anyway, I did the research and Noo Noo is sleep hoovering.
Sleep what now?
Sleep hoovering. What exactly is sleep hoovering? Well, it's like sleepwalking, except since Noo Noo doesn't have legs, he just sleep hoovers. He just hoovers in his sleep, causing to tidy up stuff.
Of course. Noo Noo was sleep hoovering.
Yeah, just like sleepwalking, except hoovering.
Ha! No wonder Noo Noo was acting strange.
Yeah, and just like sleepwalking, Noo Noo can't control himself when he's sleep hoovering. Oh, so Noo Noo's going to be all right, right? Oh yeah, just gotta take him back to his place because if he wakes up right here, then it's gonna be really confusing for Noo Noo.
Right. Come on, everybody. We gotta take Noo Noo back.
Yeah, but where is he? Oh, there he is. Come on, Noo Noo. This way, this way, this way.
Ah, thank you, Dexter.
No problem, everybody. Glad I could help.
We did it. We led Noo Noo back to where he was before.
And he's still asleep, too.
All right, we did it. Oh, thank goodness.
Noo Noo's awake.
Uh-oh, Noo Noo. Did you have a good rest?
Well, that's great, Noo Noo. But you feel funny, though?
My hat!
My bag!
My ball! Yeah, I know. You probably don't remember tidying up our stuff. Well, it's kind of a long story, Noo Noo. We're just glad that you're all right, Noo Noo. Yeah, big hug?
All right, big hug!
Yeah, bring it in, bring it in.
Big hug! Ah! Uh-oh! Let's go!
Bye.